Hey everyone, welcome back to Victoria Time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 super easy DIY fidget toys, and you definitely have all the materials you need for these at home. So let's not talk too much, just let's get on with the video. Let us start with the simple dimple. For this you need 2 clips, it can be every size, and some paper. Then trace a circle around the clip with a circle maker and cut it out in 4 pieces. Then color the color you like. I just took this purple and this blue one. But you can of course make as many different colors you want to. I just chose these 2. Now the next step is to glue the tip and the bottom of the clip on the circle, like you see in this clip. Trace a circle around it so the top one can fit. It's a bit hard to explain, but I hope you can see in the video. Now you should have this. Then you do the exact same thing in the next one. Now they should look something like this. Then you take your cardboard and trace a bigger circle around 2 times. Then you just draw something on the bottom and top so it can hold its shape better, and cut it out. Mine looks a bit like a gaming controller. But then take your form and trace it on the cardboard 2 times and cut that out. Now you must just glue them on. And the last step is you must take your paper and trace it around, and also cut that out. So now again trace a circle in the middle and cut that out. And also do it on the other side. It should fit perfectly. Now glue it on and you're ready with both sides. Now you should have your perfect homemade simple dimple. I really enjoy playing it and I can't let it go. I always need to have that thing with me. Now let us do the marble mash. I also really like this, and this is a very easy DIY. You start with have any paper or just thing that you can put the marble in. Paper, scissors and a marble and glue. Then you take your paper, cut the size out, but remember it must be as big as the marble. Then just cut the paper how long you want your mash and marble to have. This is the form. So now you take your silk or anything else and fold it in the paper. And then cut down as you see here. So now you should have a perfect fitting paper or silk. And then just glue the sides down to the other side. But be careful, it can be hot sometimes. And then glue the top one. But don't glue the bottom because there the marble should go in. Now put the marble in. And that should fit perfectly. Now the last step is to glue the last side, and that can also be very hot, so be careful. But now you are finished with your Mash and Marble, and it's really funny to play with. It's so addicting and fun. Now let us make the last fidget toy, and this is the balloon stress thing. You probably have all the ingredients at home. So the first thing we're going to do is make some slime. For this I also have some videos, but you need some glue and pour it in. Oh no, I spilled my glue. Then just put your borax or baking soda in. It shouldn't have this reaction, it was just because I had already put some slime in, but it should have this reaction when you put your contact lens solution in. And now you should have a bit sticky slime because that's what we need for the balloon. Then you take the balloon and try to fill the slime in. I know you can also do it the other way, but I just chose to put the slime in this way. And just fill it up how much you want to. And when you're finished, you should have this super fun toy to play with. I have put a bit air in the toy so it also makes some sound, and it's super addicting as well and funny to play with. Now we're finished with all 3 fidget toys. I hope you like it and want to do one of them at home. Don't forget to write in the comments down below which fidget toy you like best and what video idea I should do next time. And also don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. See you in the next video. Bye!